In this lesson, we're looking at pronouns and conjugations in Creole. Now, the personal pronouns in Creole is very simple, and it goes like this: I, moi, you, ou, he, she, or it is li, they, yo, we, nous. So, I, moi, you is ou, he, she, or it is li, they is yo, we is nous. Let us look at the reflexive pronoun. The reflexive pronoun is the myself, yourselves, yourself, him or herself, themselves, ourselves, right? And it goes like this: myself or me in Creole is moi-même. You or yourself or yourselves in Creole is ou-même. It's spelled the same way, even if it's plural in Creole. Him, himself, her, herself, or plural is lui-même. Them or themselves is yo-même. Us or ourselves is nous-mêmes. Let us also look at some vocabularies here. And we're going to make some sentences and conjugate these. So, to want is vle, vle. To eat is manger, manger. To sleep, dormir, dormir. To go, aller, aller. To run, courir, courir. To study, étudier, étudier. To speak, parler, parler. To dance, danser. Now, this is Haitian Creole. It does look similar to French, but it is not French. So just to have that, just to remember that it's Creole, it's a Haitian Creole conjugation, and it's not French, okay? Now let's look at some of the conjugations. When you conjugate these words, you simply drop the last R and add the appropriate personal pronoun. Let's look at some examples. So for present conjugation and sentences, let's look at some of those. We looked at to want is vle. I want is moi vle. Moi is I, and vle is to want. Remember, we just dropped the R. So you want ou vle, ou vle. He wants or she wants or it wants is lively, lively. What about we want? Nous vle, nous vle. They want yo vle, yo vle. Just as a reminder, we looked at I is moi, you is ou, he, she, or it is li, we is nous, they is yo. And when we conjugate these words, we are simply putting the personal pronouns in front of the word. So I want would be basically you say I and then you say the word. So I is moi, want is vle. So I want moi vle. You want ou vle. He wants or she wants or it wants li vle. We want nous vle. They want yo vle. Let's look at the word to eat, which is manger. I eat, moi manger. You eat, ou manger. He eats, she eats, or it eats. Li manger. We eat, nous manger. They eat, yo manger. What about to speak, which is parler? I speak, moi parler. You speak, ou parler. He speaks, li parler. We speak, nous parler. They speak, yo parler. All right, so now we're going to look at some sentences with the words we have just studied and conjugated. All right. So how do I say I want to eat fast? Now we have some new vocabularies here for you guys. So the word for fast in Creole is rapide. Rapide. So in the sentence, I want to eat fast, how would you say that? Go ahead and take some time to think about that. You may pause the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and reveal the answer. So I want to eat fast. Moi vle manger rapide. Remember, I want. To want is vle. So you basically put the personal pronoun in front of the word. So I is moi. Want is vle. To eat, manger. Fast is rapide. So if you put these together, you have moi vle manger rapide. Another sentence. I like to dance. I like to dance. How would I say that? So how do I say to like? To like is remer. Remer. So I like to dance. So what we're gonna do, we're going to put the I in front. So I is moi. So I like moi remer to dance, danser. Moi remer danser. Second sentence or third sentence. So let's think about our friend Max. And Max likes to sleep late. So Max likes to sleep late. So how do I say late, first of all, in Creole? Late is ta. It's ta. Remember, this is not French. Do not confuse these with French writing. Creole is very simple. The way you hear is what you write. So late is ta, ta. Max likes to sleep late. Max reme dormi ta. Max reme dormi ta. Another sentence. We speak Creole. So, do you remember how to say we in Creole? If you do, we in Creole is nous. How do I say to speak in Creole? The verb to speak. To speak is parler. So when we put that together, we speak Creole, it would be nous parler Creole. Nous parler Creole. All right, last sentence here. They go home. Now in Creole, the word for home is la caille. So it's also with the article, basically the house. So the house is la caille in Creole. So they go home. First, let's look at how do I say they in Creole? Do you remember how to say they? They in Creole is yo, which is yo. Yo. Now, how do I say to go? To go is a verb we covered. To go is aller, right? So they go home. So they go, yo allé home la caille. So the full sentence is yo allé la caille.